Clicking on this video is the best decision you've made today. Because in this video, I will teach you how to earn $558 just by copy and paste for absolutely free. I will show you a step-by-step how you can get this done easily. Do not skip any part of this video so you won't miss out on important details where I show you how it actually works. You can earn money by simply copy-pasting. People from all over the world are making money with this method. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post a new video. And leave a comment down below what country you are in right now so that I can make the right video for you. Let me start by telling you, you don't need any experience. You don't need any social media followers. And the good news is, I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earning. First of all, open your browser. Now go to this website. This is a site where you can find thousands of different articles. And they are all for free. This is the reason why I introduced you to this website. This website is called articlesfactory.com. You can see they have a lot of different article categories right here. So you have health, business, finance, travel, technology, home repair, education, internet, and so on. So, for example, I am choosing the finance niche. The reason why I choose this is because this has been a really popular niche. But you can choose whatever you want. Once you click on it, you will land on this page. Here you will find a lot of different articles. And the cool thing is that these are all professionally written. Here you can see, this may like 12 to 15 articles on the first page. And that's only on the first page. If you scroll down below and click on the last button, you can see that there are over 2100 pages. And that is a lot. So what if you get $5 per article? Imagine how many thousands of dollars you can make. Now click on any article title, then it will redirect us to this page. You can see this is the writer's name. And then this right here is the article. You can see that this is professionally written. So now what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the article. But don't worry. This is a very simple task. In this video, I will show you step by step. And you don't need any money for it. It doesn't matter where are you from. It doesn't matter how old are you. We need to rewrite it because of copyright issues. If you rewrite it, you are 100% safe from any copyright issue. If you rewrite it, it'll be a new article, and I told you before. You don't have to worry at all. Because we will be using a tool that will help us rewrite the whole article. So don't skip this video. Watch this video until the end. Now what you do is go over to rewritertools.com. This is a free tool website that helps the writer to write an article easily. On this website, you will get so many tools like article rewriter, paraphrasing tool, article spinner, grammar checker, and word counter. Those words and tools are almost similar to each other, but there are some qualities that make them different in few aspects. You can read detail about it here. If you use paraphrase tool, you don't have to think about compromising quality or time. You simply have to enter the original content, and the paraphrase tool will do the changes and give you the output. If you use article rewriter tool, the article rewriter is a very effective tool if you are going to create content that is easily understood by people of every age. If you use article spinner, this tool works quite similarly to the paraphrase generator, only more boldly and creatively. It's a great tool for writers who want to spice up their creative writing. There are other two helping tools also. Those two tools for creating improved and unique content. If you use grammar checker, this tool finds out the errors in your content instantly and suggests corrections as well. There is another tool called word counter. With the help of this tool, you can check the total character along with the total word count. So in this video, we use article rewriter tool because article rewriter is a very effective tool if you are going to create content that is easily understood by people of every age. Now click on this article rewriter tool right here. Once you click on this, you will land on this page. You can rewrite the article in 4 steps only. Step number 1. Copy and paste the article. You want to rewrite in the free article rewriter tool. Or you can also write something in the editor box and that will work as well. Step number 2. Now choose the rewrite option below the box and hit enter. The tool will generate unique content within less than a minute. Step number 3. Now, if you like the way your content has turned out, click the next option and choose the copy or download option as you like. Step number 4. After you have done as instructed in step 2, you should see that the changed words and phrases are highlighted. And you will see a group of synonyms for that word, from which you can choose the one you like. Or, you can also use a new word by adding the word in the box given in the option. Now copy this article and paste it here. And then click on this rewrite button right here. After a few seconds, it will give you a unique article that you can use. Now read this article to check the errors or punctuation mark errors. After fixing error, we are going to the platform which will actually pay you. I will be showing you multiple platforms where we can make money online. Now I am going to show you this platform which is called Fiverr.com. This is a freelancing website where you can sell your article. I'm showing this website to you. The reason is this is a very popular freelancing website. Here you can see people all over the world make money by writing articles. This may not a lot to you, but keep in mind that there are thousands of articles under so many categories. So you will never run out of articles to sell. Now calculate how much money you can make. If you sell at least 10 articles you can make $50. And you can 100 articles you can make $500. As I told you before, as a bonus, I will show you some bonuses so that you can maximize your result. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Smash the like button and also comment down below what country you are in right now. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you and you can make lots of money. So comment your country name down below. Our next website is peopleperhour.com. This is also a popular website. So many people all over the world sell their articles here. Our next website is upwork.com. You can see here this person makes over $100K by article writing. Use all of that website to maximize your earning. That's it for today's video. But wait, if you think this method is complicated for you or you don't like it, then watch this easy method video.